Morning. I'm going to put this tarp on top of my shelter. The way I'm going to do it, since these ends are sticking out, it'll be really hard to pull it up over that. The side is smooth. So I'm going to drag my fabric along the side here. Fabric doesn't want to come along the side, at least not without any help. Okay. So now pull it along here. I'm going to have to remove this too. There's a lot of plants to remove from the ground, but if I start removing them, I'll put my back out. And that is not worth it. So undo that. Remove that. Strawberries are looking nice. Okay, so I have a hole in here. I'll tie a piece of string through it, a rope. I got these at Home Hardware. These are what they tie up their bundles of wood with. And from time to time they have some that are garbage. Okay, so we'll tie it on here. Okay, and then this is going to go up there, over that, okay? And it's going to go over all of these up here. And I will then pull it. So let's tie it on here for, oh, that one's a slipping one. Okay, well, we're going to have to put more strings on more spots. Okay, so we have more holes in here from where we had it tied on last year. Let's get ourselves another one of these. Okay, and then we'll fold this up. It's not long enough to throw it very far. I thought it might help leaving this thing on here. Let's leave it on, but let's make it longer. Okay. And so, oh, but it makes it heavy so it falls back down. I'm going to have to climb up there and do all this, I think. There we go. Okay, part of it is up. So we have one for that end, one for this end, and I've already put one on this end, I believe. What is this one from? I think I have put it on the other side of it, actually. Oh no, here we go. Yeah, I did. This is from the far corner. So we'll take this off of here. And we'll put it in this corner this here.